Hey, good evening, everybody. It is your favorite power washing company coming back to you live from, yes, that is right, dark outside, yes. I'm coming to you live from Muskogee. It is a Wednesday evening, and I'm at a car wash. And people asked me to come and clean up the concrete around the vacuum pumps. And so I come over here and I cleaned it up. I took some before photos. I'm going to take some after photos. But I was just going to kind of give you an idea of what we're looking at here. And I'm going to turn the camera around and be rude. Okay, this right here is dirty concrete. You can see where it's kind of dried right here. I've went and blown off the heavy dirt that was on here. This is the heavy stuff. This is what's left. It's kind of dried right here. You see how dirty that is. That's what the whole thing looked like. As we walk around here, here's some chemical soap that I'm letting sit and apply. I let it sit for about 15 minutes. And then here is some, I've already washed this, and some soap got over here. But guys, right here is a finished product. I just rinsed it again. You can see it's starting to dry. I rinsed it with some hot water. Right there. This concrete looked exactly like that concrete over there. You can see that the heavy dirt, and part of it's dirt, some of it's mold mildew. Actually, to tell you the truth, what the majority of it is coffee, tea, orange juice, water, God knows what else, that people pour on the concrete as they go to vacuum out their truck, and they just start emptying cups. And instead of just throwing the cup away or walking over to the grass and pouring out their liquid substance, they just pour it on the concrete. We've all done it. We've seen people at drive-thrus do it. And I've probably done it in the past because I just wasn't thinking. But guys, when we do that, we cost ourselves more money, because the owner then he's going to have to periodically clean it anyway. But then it starts to get gunky and sticky and ooey and gooey, and he has to clean it more frequently. And so then he has to figure in that, golly, I'm going to have to raise my prices sometimes. And I'm not saying that's what this gentleman has done, but to the ordinary business owner, when you have to start cleaning something over and over and over again because of others' lackadaisical habits, this is what we get. So I'm cleaning this up for them. Can't wait to see how this is going to turn out. I've went through here and put the hot water on it to remove the gum. Lots of chewing gum. And folks, please be mindful of reminding your children to please throw away their chewing gum in a wrapper inside of a trash can, please. It just makes a mess out here on other people's property. Other than that, guys, I appreciate everything that we do. We give God the glory for everything. I just came from Wednesday night services and started on this job. Golly, we serve an awesome God and a great God.